Next question. How many 8 are there in 1 to 100? A. 10, B. 15, C. 20, or D. 25? Now to count, let's type 80 to 89. So we have 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, and 89. And we're also going to type 8, 18, 28, 38, 48, 58, 68, 78, and 98. Then count all the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So therefore, the answer is letter C, 20.